What up, everybody? It's your boy, Mr. Luke Evan Brooks, and welcome to another edition with Cooking with Luke and Friends. Now, this is a special series that I'm doing. I went to Thailand, and I really got to explore the area. Not just that we're talking about food, but we're talking about the culture. We're talking about the health. We're talking about all the things that people want to know about Thailand. Now, I need you to subscribe. It's important that you subscribe because on this special series, I'm going to be uploading for 30 days content that's gonna really get you energized. So it's very critical that you do that. Now I'm gonna show you the different foods that they have, what I was eating, all that good stuff that you want to know. And I'm gonna keep it real with you. I'm gonna be 100 with you, as they say, so you don't want to miss out. Now the best way to do this is to go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to the show, and as we say, we're about to get this thing cracking. So watch this. I'm about to show you something.
I do a spring
Previously on Cooking with Luke and Friends.
What are you on?
I just want that for right now. Yeah.
Oh my god.
I don't get up like last night. That picture I sent you. Is this cucumbers?
Want spring roll vegetable or
Huh?
shrimp?
I want the spring roll.
You want shrimp?
What you
Oh,
mean
we
shrimp?
don't have shrimp one. No. So what else? So you want to go smoke seashore?
Yeah, apparently everyone told me it doesn't exist out here. But you
Alright.
say you know, so I trust you on that one.
You should trust me on everything. But you don't just listen to me.
No,
You already eat.
I didn't eat already. I ate earlier this afternoon.
Okay, let me get
Thank you.
You know what? I have. No, I don't want that. I have a cousin that's hosting and make the best thing that we ever had.
Make what?
The best sushi. So they come here every day. There's the black guy, the black guy from United States. They're from
Richie?
California.
Richie?
No, it's not a military. They are already retired.
Not Marine.
No.
He's not never been in the military.
No. They already retired. They're old.
Well, I thought you were talking about Richie Mack. He live out here in Pattaya.
No, he come for vacation.
I walk by here so many times too, cause these people ask me for a massage, and these people I never seen you. I never look this way though. But
Yeah, right.
you want to bet? Cause there's 2 week
So
hotels.
you want some soup?
Hmm?
You want some soup?
I want no soup. I said I want the spring roll.
Or you just want a single?
Yeah, for right now. Look.
You want stir fried vegetable?
Huh?
You want stir fried vegetable? Just vegetable.
I just want spring roll. That's it. I don't want to order anything else. And that's what got me in trouble last night. I was like, hey, it's small, right? And they're like, yeah. I guess they thought small means small for American. No, that shit was like, boop, boop. I was like, man, y'all killing me.
Alright, I got you. That's what happened when you talk to me.
Whatever, I ain't worried about your ass.
No, what happened with your face?
What happened to my
When I
face?
met you in Japan, your face was clean and clear. But your
I've been
face is
working
not
out.
white.
I've been working out. That stuff's all gonna come out. I wasn't working out when you see me
You don't look fat.
in my belly. I do. I got an operation done.
Easy.
Don't be looking like that. You got a little tan on you. You got real skinny too.
So can I have quick?
I don't care what you have.
You don't care what I have.
Let's go crazy now. I'll be like, yeah, I want everything. Why you look different from the other people here?
What do you mean?
I'm looking at the Thai people here.
How do you look different?
You just look different. Like you could pass for Arab.
Yeah, right. I
Really?
have to order this right now, just for now.
Okay.
Okay.
We got a lot of Australian people here and British.
I know some people laughing behind your back.
I told you, I almost fell in the fucking ditch coming here. Cause the lady boys are on the motorcycle and I'm
So why don't you just take the motorcycle people? I told you come to
I don't need to
here.
take a motorcycle. I could take this road to go back home and get on other roads to come down here. I could just take a bot bus. I got here quicker.
Yeah, right. I
You
told
don't.
you next
Do you
time
know?
don't
Do you
go
know
to
where I
places
stay
you
at?
can
Do you
get
know where I
motorcycle.
stay at? Did you put it in the GPS when you asked me where I stay at? I say right up the street up here.
Yeah, I know.
So only thing I gotta do is walk down the little street, take a bot.
So
That's
you
how I
want
got
to
it.
try this papaya salad? It's really nice.
As long as
With
it
the
ain't
shrimp.
spicy, I can't have
No,
spicy.
I don't take the spicy. I get it.
Okay.
So, you on diet, you should eat.
If I like it, that's the thing. If I like it,
You will like it. You will love it. Believe me.
I'll be like, ah.
No, no, no. Oh, Lumba. I'm look different. See? You got a black shirt. I don't know. You make me mad.
Oh well, you get mad over everything.
You gotta pay me off.
I ain't pay. What you mean pay you off? What you mean?
You have to pay me off for
Mhm.
making me mad.
Just say anything. So you got 808.
Yeah,
They-
it's still open. All the club is still
Yeah. So
open.
I was like, hey, I want to go to Flex. I want to videotape it.
No, they're not allowed anymore.
But I'm walking through Walking Street to show people where stuff is at. So people like, no, it's open, and they sent me video posts like, hey, they're open.
You see, I went to Walking Street too. It's still open. I went there.
Well, I know Walking Street open, but they were saying certain clubs were closed. She was saying certain clubs were closed.
Insomnia is open.
Yeah, I seen that.
What Lucifer is open.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, I went down there, so.
So I need your stomach. Is your stomach still hurt?
No, it don't hurt no more.
Alright.
It's called Eat Them Oysters. We went to a restaurant.
They have an oyster restaurant back there.
I ain't eating no more oysters. I'm done. I'm not eating no more. No, I was hurting. I mean, I never went.
But they have some place that they call oyster bar. They sell the question.
Right.
But it's not in this area.
Yeah, I found that out the hard
And you
way.
come on the day that I cannot take my day off. My day off on the 24th. So I have time to take you everywhere.
Okay.
But when you go back. See?
Maybe the end of the year. What you mean? Probably end of the year. Why? What? What's wrong with that?
You can't take me.
Like December. Or take the next time. You asked me when the next time I'm taking leave.
Okay.
That's not bad. That's a lot better than Bahrain right now. We wouldn't be out here, but with some Bahrain, it'd be so fucking hot at night.
See, I told you it's like what? That place is for food. They have all the seafood that you grill like a yakiniku. It's all you can eat. It's just the
Hey guys, that's right. We have to end it off again. I'm cutting off the videos here between 8 to 10 minutes. And Katie dropped a lot of places to go out to eat now. We were just talking, we're just shooting the breeze here. And she's telling me a lot of places. Now she's gonna show me some places here too in some upcoming episodes. So definitely you know what you gotta do. Go ahead, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Like and comment down below and share the videos, guys. Share the videos. There's gonna be more to come. I hope that you definitely like this. Let me know if you say, hey, I want to see more, I want to see less. Let me know, and I'm gonna do this for you guys. I'm here for you. So again, thank you. Don't forget to check me out furthermore by subscribing. Again, Luke Brooks, Cooking with Luke and Friends. See you next time. Take care.